In this video, I'll show you how to open blocked sites in Chrome without VPN in iPhone. To access blocked websites, follow these steps carefully. Go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then look for VPN and Device Management and open it. Alternatively, you can simply type VPN into the search bar at the top of the Settings app to reach this section faster. Once you're inside the VPN menu, tap on Add VPN Configuration. A new form will appear on the screen. In the Type field, select L2TP. In the Description field, you can enter any name you like to identify the VPN. Next, you'll need a server address. To find one, go back to your browser and search for VPN Gate. Open the first result you see, and you'll find a list of free VPN servers. Check their speed and ping values, then copy the server address of one that looks reliable. Go back to the VPN settings on your iPhone and paste the copied address into the server field. In the Account field, type VPN in lowercase. For the Password field, also enter VPN in lowercase, and in the Secret field, again type VPN in lowercase. After filling in all the required details, tap Done in the top right corner to save the configuration. Now that the VPN profile has been added, you can connect to it by toggling the switch next to Status. Once it's enabled, you'll see the VPN icon appear at the top of your screen near the network or Wi-Fi indicator, and also inside the control center. This confirms that the VPN connection is active. Now go back to your browser and try visiting the blocked website again. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see that the website opens successfully. That said, while this method works well, there is an even easier and more reliable solution, especially if you want consistent access, better privacy, and protection across all websites and apps. Using a VPN like NordVPN allows you to instantly bypass restrictions by changing your IP address and routing your traffic through secure servers worldwide. It also encrypts your internet connection, protects your personal data, and prevents tracking, which is especially useful on public or office Wi-Fi networks. With just one tap, you can connect to a different location and access blocked websites without needing to change browser settings. If you want the simplest and most powerful solution, I highly recommend NordVPN for its speed, security, and ease of use. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on a TV or another device, you can scan the QR code on screen to get started with NordVPN.